When I think about the future of general practice, I think of three words. I think it's going to be a lot bigger, and it's going to be a lot broader, and it's going to be a lot brighter. The future of general practice is sitting in front of me.
I think today is going to get me a head start in my training. Yeah, because now I have a sort of a bigger picture on how the years are going to go by and what I'm going to be looking out for, as you know, to do with my patients, to do with my own training, and what I need to do to sort of take care of myself as well.
I'm really enjoying today. Organisation excellent, location venue was great. Food was good. The workshops have been great. We get to break off into smaller groups and focus on different subjects that are relevant to us as trainees that we don't get exposure to in our training otherwise. Excellent talks by Dr. Rahman and his team. As always, they do a brilliant job with organising these events.
The best thing about today is the fact that it's a whole different variety of what things you can choose to do. And also things to learn, like topics that I haven't got rotations in. So it gives you extra key points to remember and actually will help me think about things in the future.
There was also sort of finance issues and then well-being, so I like to cover a little bit of everything.
When I'm going to need care in 10 years, I'm so happy that you're the doctors that will be looking after me. Thank you so much. That's the future of general practice.